Use InStage and the power of AI to create practice job interviews and presentations. If you have not yet activated an InStage account, look for an email invitation from InStage in your mail program. Be sure to check your spam or junk mail folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Open the email and click Join. Upon success, you will be redirected to the login screen. Enter your email and click Sign In. A password is not required, as InStage will send you a verification code by email each time that you log in. You can then copy the code from the email and paste it on the verification page. The first time you log in, InStage opens with a pop-up tutorial window giving you information about getting started and accessing help. From the InStage dashboard, you can generate simulation sessions, view your sessions, access simulation reports, and change your profile, audio, and video settings. There are additional options for administrator accounts that allow you to review simulation results and manage accounts. Click the icon in the lower right corner at any time for InStage help and support. The Help link presents several quick guides and answers for both learners and instructors. InStage offers 3 simulation types: job prep, using uploaded or custom job descriptions for practicing answering questions from an interviewer; sales meetings for conducting dry runs with a potential buyer; and presentations for practicing general presentation skills with a partner. The setup process is similar for each. Enter a title and upload or enter relevant details. Then click Generate and select the interactive computer-generated character and their unique personality type. As an example, we will click Start to set up a presentation practice session. Note that instructors can choose to include specific instructions to learners if the simulation session is part of a course assignment. Enter the presentation topic and additional details such as its purpose, target audience, and perhaps some key questions you would like to include. Click Generate. Choose a practice partner from the 4 available options and assign a personality type: cheeky, playful, sincere, or reserved. These personality traits influence their tone, attitude, and actions during the session. Tips for how to interact with each personality type are included. Alternatively, select a random practice partner with a random personality type. At this step, instructors or administrators can also edit the topic, objective, or default target time of the presentation. They can also generate questions to be asked following the presentation and can edit these questions or create additional ones. At this point, instructors and administrators can share the link to the session by copying it here and pasting it in an email or within a Moodle course. If you are satisfied with the setup, you can now start the presentation by selecting Record Video and clicking Start.